Hello, my name is David Finn, and I will be your instructor for EDLD 523, Managing the P12 Exceptional Education Program. This is going to be a very quick course and online, so that I hope you enjoy it. I hope you find it helpful and practical. There isn't a lot of time for theory because I know many of you are already practitioners in the classroom and have an intention to be a leader of some sort in a school. Being a leader in a school today means leading all children. So I'm very happy that you're enrolled in this class. Before we get started, I want to tell you a little bit about myself. I'm a graduate of the University of Alabama. My degrees are in multiple disabilities, educational psychology, and generic special education with a concentration on orthopedic and health impairment, which today is very helpful given the numbers, the public health crisis we have with autism, the number of viruses, Zika, for example, that are plaguing many programs worldwide today. I have been at Sanford for 19 years as the Director of Special Education, and currently I'm the School of Education International Director. I don't direct anyone else except that I do have an interest, as you can see behind me, of serving families around the globe. I currently have a project in the Middle East serving teachers and families in Lebanon, Jordan, Dubai, and Egypt. It's quite an unusual place. You are always welcome to join me. No one seems to want to jump on my baggage when I go, but it is something that I believe in, and they are asking for help, and I'm more than happy to do so. So I have lived all over the country, in the University of Washington in Seattle, the University of Hawaii in Manoa, very interesting project where we worked across all of the Hawaiian Islands and the U.S. territories, Guam, American Samoa, Saipan. And it was very interesting because a lot of those island nations really didn't know what we were talking about when we talked about inclusion, because they already were practicing it. They saw no reason to exclude anyone from their school programs. So anyway, you will have a syllabus for this class. It will be individualized based on what your needs are. There's a few activities that I have that I'd like for you to take a look at, things that have to do with our policies and procedures in special education, largely developed by the Council for Exceptional Children. So take a look at that. There's a little assignment with that. We will talk about the unfortunate history of special education, and not just to talk about our history, but hopefully that we would never repeat some of the things that we have done for children and families today that have happened in the past. It's quite a sad story. And there's a little assignment with that. You know, most of the work that is done also in special education is done by paraprofessionals, paraeducators. And that's really unfortunate because they have the least training of all, and they have the burden of most of the education for kids with special needs. So there's a little assignment with that and a PowerPoint. Take a look at these things. You have my email, my phone number. I'm very easy to get in touch with. Like I said, this is a very quick class. You are my customer, and I want to serve you well. So let's go ahead and get started. I'll see you.